Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a young boy named Cooji. Cooji was very curious. He always wanted to know how the world worked and how to live a peaceful, happy life. One day, he heard about a wise Zen master who lived at the top of the tallest hill in the village. People said the master knew the secrets of life. Cooji decided, I must meet him and learn how to find peace. So, with excitement and hope, he climbed up the hill. When he reached the temple, he saw the old Zen master sitting calmly, smiling at the sunset. Cooji bowed and asked, Master, how can I find Zen? How can I find true peace? The master looked at him kindly and said, It will take 10 years. Cooji was surprised. 10 years. But master, what if I work really hard? What if I practice every day without rest? How soon can I find Zen then? The master replied, Then it will take 20 years. Cooji blinked in confusion. How can working harder make it take longer? Still, he didn't give up. What if I give my whole life to this practice? What if I think about Zen every second? The master smiled again and said softly, Then it will take 30 years. Now, Cooji was completely confused. Master, I don't understand. The more I try, the longer it takes. Why? The master looked into his eyes and said, When you have one eye on the goal, you have only one eye left for the path. Cooji sat quietly, thinking deeply. He finally understood. When we only focus on the result, we lose focus on the journey. True learning and peace come when we enjoy the process. Step by step, the master continued. Imagine you are climbing a tall tree to reach a sweet fruit at the top. If you keep looking up at the fruit and only think about eating it, you might lose balance and fall. But if you pay attention to each step, hold the branches carefully, and enjoy the climb, you will reach the top safely, and the fruit will be yours. Cooji smiled. He finally understood what Zen really meant, to live in the present moment, to enjoy learning, practicing, and growing, not just chasing results. Moral of the story: don't rush your journey. Focus on your efforts, not just the outcome, because the real success is not only in reaching the top, it's in every step you take to get there.